Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Yes, and tonight we are looking at this question. It says that the atomic radius of hydrogen atom is this, and the mass of proton is given. Then the question comes and says, calculate the magnitude of electrostatic force between the proton and the electron and state whether it's attractive or repulsive. Okay, to answer this question, you need to picture the hydrogen atom. And this is what you have to know about hydrogen atom, that in the middle of the atom, there is a proton, one proton. And the outside, we have the orbital, where one electron is located. Hydrogen atom is special. It has one proton and one electron. So we have an electron around here. So the distance between the nucleus and this orbital is what we call the atomic radius. And it is given. And in the data sheet, we have the mass of the electron. And the mass of proton is not given. That's why it's given here. So in other words, you have the intermediate distance between the proton and the electron, and you have the charges. The charge on a proton is equal to the charge on electron in magnitude. The only difference is that the proton is positive and the electron is negative. So with this information, let us list what we have. So what do we have? First of all, you know Q1. Let us call this one the electron. The charge of electron is 1.6 times 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. And the electron, the charge is negative. And the charge on the proton is also positive, 1.6 times 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. Okay, you have the radius. The radius is the distance between the proton and the electron, and it's given. It is 4 times 10 power minus 13 meters. So this information is enough for us to calculate the force. All we need to know is that K is 9 times 10 power 9. So that is that. So with this information, what do we do? Yeah, we equate the equation, which is F is equal to K Q1 Q2 over R squared. And when we substitute, what do we have? We have the K, which is 9 times 10 power 9, and Q1, which is 1.6 times 10 power minus 19. Then Q2, which is 1.6 times 10 power minus 19. All this one over the intermediate distance, which is 4 times 10 power minus 13, all squared. And what we get out of here is going to be our force between the proton and the electron. So that is it. That's the answer. And what is it? Is it attractive or repulsive? We have to take note that The electron is negatively charged and the proton is positively charged. So we are dealing with two unlike charges. And what happens between two unlike charges? They attract each other. So the force is attractive. So that is that. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share. Yeah, to refer the channel to a person, to a friend. Yes, we believe you will not regret. Bye-bye.